don't care.
Okay, well, I'll talk to Patrick then.
Go inside. I got a call about a domestic. You can stand out there all you want.
Well, I'm waiting for my partner, and then we're coming inside.
No answer.
Oh, no, she already came out and screamed at me and said, we better get a warrant. I was just waiting for somebody because she's going to be, Sam's drunk, Patrick's drunk, and we're not coming in the house. So I was waiting for
911, female's refusing to answer the door. Do you still have a 12-year-old on the phone?
She's locked us out, and I'm not going to pick the fight with her, so.
Does the 12-year-old feel safe enough to come out to us? Otherwise, we're going to have to force entry. Open the door, we'll break it down.
You got a warrant?
We have to check the well-being of a 12-year-old.
Bust my door down, and I'm going to do your ass. Now go on.
The 12-year-old needs to come talk to me, or we will break it down.
Bye. You ain't got a warrant.
So they're not going to let him come down. They can hear her screaming on the phone.
911 advise me if I need to force entry. The 12-year-old has any.
Oh, we got him. He's out the back.
Oh, yeah. So Patrick is stupid and drunk every night, and he tries to pick.
Somebody at the front door.
He tries to pick. Fight. That's him. He tries to pick.
Get your ass in the fucking house.
No, get away.
You can shut the fuck up. This is my house, bitch.
Hey.
Shut up, Baldy.
No, hey. I don't have any
These two
problem.
started it with my husband.
Okay, that's fine.
Both of them.
I'll talk to you too.
So what's going on?
So he gets drunk and
Here,
stupid.
walk a little further with me.
He gets drunk and stupid, and he tries to argue with everyone. And he was arguing with my mom. I don't know why, but she went with.
Your mom is Carly, right?
So she went somewhere. She went somewhere to do laundry, I think. And so he gets real stupid at night. And
Hold on just a second, okay?
Stop. Stop. I want to tell you what happened.
Stop pulling away from me.
They
You have the chance.
touch him first.
You're going in handcuffs right now. You understand that?
They're
Roll
going.
over.
They stopped her. Started it.
Calm down. Take a breath.
Roll over.
Calm down.
Roll over.
Shut up.
You gonna be calm? You gonna be calm?
Yeah.
What?
All right. Stay calm. We'll be calm as long as you are.
Mike,
Stay seated. Just stay seated. Just stay there.
they started it with him.
I'm not doubting that.
Can I stand up?
I'd rather you stay seated. Don't sit in your chair. Okay?
Okay.
Sit in your chair.
Continue what you were.
Okay, so my mom was walking out the door with laundry and my baby brother.
Okay.
And then once she got outside, me and Caden, my uncle, were trying to like hold him back from the door. So he went like, because he gets real close and personal. So
Patrick
after
does? Patrick? Okay.
So we got him away, and we wait by his bedroom door, so he doesn't do anything stupid, because he'll just randomly start yelling at people. And then he got too close to me and started pushing me against the wall, so I got mad and I tackled him onto the couch, and he wouldn't let me get up, so he grabbed my hair and tried to pull me, so I started punching him a lot, and he got like right there, and then he let go, so I backed away. And then he did it again, so I had a cup of tea in my hand, I slammed him to his head, and he brought me down to the couch again, and I put my hand on his neck to push up to get away, and I did. And then the second time my grandma was in the bathroom the entire time, and she thought that I attacked him first when I didn't. Caden saw everything, and then the third time he attacked me, we both got onto the floor, and everyone saw it, but she also thinks I attacked him first, and then I started punching at him again until he let go, and then I called you.
Okay.
We gotta get this resolved, and you guys are going about it all wrong, okay?
I was in the bathroom. All I heard was the boys attacking him. And I came out, I pulled both the boys off. That's all I know.
Teenage boys?
Him and Kagan.
So you don't know what started it?
I really don't.
You came out and they were
I was in the bathroom.
all three of them were in a
I
fight?
was in the bathroom going pee.
That's Patrick and the two boys?
That's all I know. I heard it in the living room, and I came out of the bathroom, and both boys were on top of him.
So you don't know what started it though?
I really don't.
Has there been anything going on prior to you going to the bathroom? Any argument, anything
Nope.
like that? Any
Me and
disagreement?
Patrick were sitting on the couch
Okay.
watching TV.
No.
I don't know.
I have nothing to say because the whole thing is bullshit.
That's my mom and that's my stepfather.
Stepdad. Okay. All right. What happened tonight, Kate?
Okay, so first, he was arguing with Carly.
Who's he? Pat?
Patrick,
Okay.
Patrick was arguing with my sister Carly, and I tried to calm him down so they don't get to a fight. And he told me to go to bed like he always does every night. And so he starts to push me in the bedroom, and I start to push him back. Skip forward a few hours, and then my mom goes into the bathroom, and then he puts his hands on Kagan, and then I try to get him off of Kagan, and then Kagan starts to push him back, to get him off of him.
And do you know what that argument started about with?
With him and Patrick?
Yeah.
He just touched Kagan, that's all. Like, touched his shirt, like, grabbed it.
He grabbed Kagan's shirt. Were they arguing? And then he grabbed the shirt, or what? Why did he grab the shirt?
Because they're in an argument.
Okay. When he pushed you, what happened?
I pushed him back.
Okay. Do you have can you flip your hair up? Look like you got your eyes or this eye looks a little black or something. Is that old or new, or did you get struck at any point? Or?
I don't know.
Okay.
You know this ain't the right way to handle things. Why's it got to escalate to this?
Because he's not at fault.
We don't know that or not. He's being
But you guys
he's not under
automatically
arrest.
arrested him.
Because the way you guys didn't answer the door and kept the kid.
Oh, I didn't keep him in there. I didn't keep him in there. The boys were in the bedroom.
And Sam, we know how you guys get when you guys get drinking. Okay? So it's just for everybody's safety that we just detain him until we figure out what's going on. So what happened to you? You got some bruises on you and some scrapes.
Where?
Well, you got a scrape down here under your arm.
Oh, that's from my dogs.
So you didn't get in the middle of that?
I pulled the boys off of him, but
Okay.
no, those are from my dogs.
So this all started just because he was drinking and then he was okay.
He's attacked my mom a few times in the past. So.
Okay.
Do you have another family member you guys can go with tonight?
No. My mom hasn't done anything. It's just him. Every night he gets drunk and then just starts.
Your mom
arguments.
hasn't been drinking today?
Yeah, but she doesn't get drunk though.
Okay.
Not like he does.
Okay.
Because he argues with people over stupid stuff.
Right. Okay, so whenever, was your mom around either of the times that...
No. Well, she was around. She was in the kitchen making supper the first time. And then she came in and split us up. The second time she was in the bathroom. And then she came out and split us up again. So,
But she wasn't around when it started, just for the end of it?
no, not the end of it. Well, yeah.
She was around the end of it, not the start of it, for both times?
Yeah.
Okay.
So she hasn't done anything wrong. It's just Patrick.
Okay. And you feel safe with her taking care of you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Patrick started it.
Yeah, that's what he
And,
said. Two different deals, one with him earlier
he
today,
said,
one with him just now.
him first. He witnessed everything that happened with him. Patrick was getting in his face.
He said Patrick like grabbed his shirt or something, and then
They started he was shoving him up against the wall.
Which kid?
And then he said he pushed him back off of him. Well, then Patrick threw him on the couch, and they he said he did punch Patrick a few times trying to get him
said he
off
didn't
of
have
him.
anything to say to me, so
Okay.
makes it easy. We'll charge
yeah,
you.
he said
Two counts
he
of
was-
domestic. Sam, you can't interfere with me when I'm doing my job. You're lucky you're not going to jail right now. If you'd have taken one more step, you'd be going to jail right now. I got a job to do. We get called from 911 that a 12-year-old is here and has been battered. We have to investigate that.
He didn't do anything, though.
We have two different incidents where he's the aggressor, and you weren't present for the start of either of those incidents from the witness statements. He's going to be charged with 2 counts of domestic battery.
He didn't do anything.
I have witness
I
statements
pulled the boys off of
after
him.
the fact. You were not present for the start of either of the incidents.
That's what you told me. You were in the bathroom.
You were not
I went
present
to the bathroom
You were not
to
present
go
for the
to the
start of.
bathroom.
I understand that. You weren't present when the incident started. Either of the incidents started from both witness statements and your own statements. So you don't know what started it. You can't say what started it. He started it according to both.
No,
juveniles.
he did not. He was sitting on the couch.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you. You weren't present when it started, so you don't know the answer to that question.
I'm not going to argue with you either.
Perfect.
It's just,
Okay. He's going to be charged with 2 counts of domestic battery. Carly's been advised of the situation. They both advised they feel safe staying with you. So we're 10-8. We're leaving. Do you have any questions?
I'm dropping charges, right?
You can't.
The boys will.
The state will pursue domestic
State
battery.
can't.
Yes, they can. The domestic
No,
battery
they can't.
situation.
All right.
Okay.
It's not worth arguing, Sam.
I'm just saying, last time
You,
he got
you could go to Monday
arrested
and talk to the
for
state's attorney and see what they can do for you, okay?
this, last time he was arrested, they dropped the charges.
Okay. And that's something you guys can work out Monday or Tuesday when you go up to the courthouse, okay? All right, take care.
Actually, we're going to arrest her for obstruction. We're arresting her for obstruction.
What?
You're under arrest for obstruction.
No, I'm not.
Sam, don't do it.
Now we're going to be resisting too.
I didn't do anything.
Don't add resisting.
God damn, I didn't do anything.
Don't add resisting, Sam. Don't
I
add
didn't
resisting.
do
Stand up.
anything.
Stand up.
I didn't
Hold on,
do
you're
anything.
hooked
I was
on
just
my-
telling you.
You're hooked on my hair. Hold on. Your hair's hooked on my...
I didn't do anything. Boys, tell him I didn't do anything.
You got your...
I didn't do anything. I wasn't obstructing. I was sitting in a
Stand
No, you
chair.
tried to
You
run inside.
obstructed
That's not
earlier.
good. Sam, stop.
You obstructed
Stop.
earlier.
Just get your citation and go to
now
court.
you're resisting.
Can I get a citation and go back inside?
Yeah.
You're getting
Huh?
resisting also. Obstruction and resisting.
Quit resisting and see what we can get done. You're
I
making this
wasn't
difficult.
doing
You're making this
anything.
more difficult than it needs to be, Sam. Just
I
stop.
was
Just
going
stop.
inside.
Stop.
You're not thinking logically.
Mike, please.
Well,
Oh, Carly.
just stop.
Tell her you gotta come get the child. Who do you want to care for your child?
Would you guys please? I'm not doing
Who do you want
anything.
to care for your child?
Why am I
Contact
obstructing?
You obstructed whenever I was detaining Patrick earlier.
That was earlier. I was
Yep.
telling you what was going on.
No,
The
you
boys.
weren't. I told you to get back and you weren't listening.
I was sitting in
And
a
then
chair.
and then you resisted when they tried to get you away from me. That's
No.
obstructing.
No.
And you resisted again.
Mike, please.
No, there's nothing I can do, Sam. You did this.
I didn't do it. Please, guys. Please, Mike. Please. I was
Listen.
sitting in the chair.
Hey, go get your...
Stand up.
Sam, stop
Stand
this.
up.
I don't want to go to jail.
They're gonna take you
I'm
up there.
scared.
You'll get a ticket.
I'm
come
scared.
Home. All right.
No,
Go
you're
up there.
not.
They'll
Mike,
process
you're
you
lying.
and they'll bring you home.
No, he's not. You're not. It's not a detainable offense with the Safety Act. You're going to be transported to jail. You're going to get your citations issued. You'll be processed, and then you'll be released. Obstructing
But they're
and
not gonna
resisting.
process you while you're acting like this. So you're gonna make it take longer. You are.
Uh,
Calm down.
I am. I was sitting in the chair talking to you.
And then you tried to run away when you were told you were under arrest.
Why would I be under arrest? I didn't do
obstructing.
anything.
You can't roll around the front yard with cops when they tell you to do something and fight them. and not,
That was earlier. Mike and him came and talked to me.
Sam, just get in the car, go up there, get a process, and come home.
It's going to be easier.
I didn't do anything.
Stand up and step your feet in first. It's going to be easier for you to get in. You're going to have a hard time getting in if you don't get 1 foot in first.
Why would you guys do this?
You did it. I instructed you several times to get back when I was detained.
I was sitting in the chair.
You came towards me, poked me with your finger, and
I did not.
interfered with my investigation.
I
which
was
is
sitting in the
obstruction.
chair talking to Mike and that guy.
Okay, we're gonna get in. Get in.
Can I get out tonight?
You will be out tonight as long as you cooperate with jail staff. You'll be processed, issued some citations, and then released when the jail has time to process you.
Okay.